As I prepare for church, I find myself reflecting on the year gone by. 2024 was a year of transition. It's time to embrace the new, let go of the old, and grow into a version of myself I hadn't imagined. It was the year I became a wife. 2024 wasn't just another year, it was a life-changing one. So guys, right now I'm going to church. I didn't come back with my car. See you guys later. Bye. 2024 wasn't without its own challenges. There were moments of pain, burnout. I felt like they would break me. But through those struggles, I found strength and a faith that carried me forward. You know that Bible verse that said, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." I think that was my word last year. There were also times I doubted myself, especially with YouTube. I questioned whether my voice mattered or if my efforts were even enough. But every single like, every comment, every small milestone reminded me while I started and while I can't stop now. No, I don't think I can. One of the biggest lessons I learned was about letting go of perfection. Life is not how we easily fold our clothes or how it's perfectly aligned, and that's okay. It is in the mess that we find meaning. Marriage came with its own lessons. It taught me patience, compromise, and the beauty of partnership. It's a journey I'm still learning to navigate, but one that has already enriched my life in various ways. If 2024 taught me anything, is that growth isn't linear, it's messy, unpredictable, and sometimes painful, shaping me into who I'm meant to be. I step out into 2025, these lessons need to go back. Resilience, gratitude, and courage to keep going. Here's to a new year, new challenges, and the beauty of continuing this journey. We don't give up here.
If I change my number, would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spend summer.
It's not a hog now. Yay! Hi guys, hi, I'm Mr. Come and eat with me. Sorry I'm talking about eating, but I have to because I'll be busy from now. Excuse me. I'm supposed to use my mic right now, but my phone is so low. I think it's on 5%, but I must film. I've made up my mind that I'm going to film, and I want this video to be up on Wednesday, that is next tomorrow. Today is 30th of December 2024. So since morning I've been filming. Whew. See, content creation is not easy. Oh my god. I'm all dressed up. I want to film for my other social media platforms. So I'm going to drop my social media platform here. Go check out my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Follow me up and I'll follow you back. tell me that you're following me from YouTube. I'm really thankful to God for today. And I mean, God has been with me since this year. There was something I wrote on my WhatsApp status. One of the best things that ever happened to me this year was intentionally. Now, intentionally, I gave my life to Christ. That space where I am really confused about my identity. So we're about to enter 2025, and you still don't want to identify with God. You still don't want to give him a chance. My brother, my sister, as far as you are still alive, you still have time. So I want to do my skincare and I want to do it real quick.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even.
I came down with my mouth floss. So okay, come on, because I don't have to speak here. So I came with my mouth floss.
Wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to.
Say happy new year. Say happy new year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
We wish you the best.
Happy New Year.
We are reporting live from Nnewi.
And the mom.
Yes, sir.
Happy New Year.
Wish you the best. Hello, I'm Mr. Just want to ask you guys something, especially the married ladies, like the married ladies. How do you stay without your hobby? How do you cope? Because I cannot cope again. Oh my god, I'm tired. I want to see my baby. To see my hobby. That bag is so big. Yesterday night, I joined NSPD crossover night vigil. I'll be going back to Enugu this weekend, and I'm going to remove these nails. I have a wedding. So one of my Ashibi girls is taking, so her wedding is next week Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? On the 7th. I think next week Tuesday is 7th. I want to wash my hair, then weave it back. Yeah, I'm still trying to grow this front hair. It's coming up small, small. Guys, I didn't show you guys my wig that I washed the other day. This wig smells so nice. I'm going to revamp one of my wig or two of them soon. I'll do it here so you guys will watch and learn how to do it yourself. So guys, here is the wig. This is so beautiful. Look at how neat it is. Look at. I might just do this thing myself. Today I'm going to lay like lay this wig. They already cut it for me, Sha. They never cut them. Okay. Okay, they have cut the wig for me, Sha. But I don't know if they did it well. So here is the wig, just to trim it. I bought this wig. That was 2022 when I went to Abuja to do my IT. Yeah, there is this hairstylist that I use. She normally plaits my hair all the time, so I thought I had to, do this for me. And even count how many times I wore it, and the way I normally wore it. The time I was wearing this, I would just cover this place so it won't be visible. Show all this hair, like all this hair that you're seeing right now.
See the hair. The hair is for if you want to do, like if you want to do baby, is it baby face or what? Amazing. So here is it. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I love it. It's so fine. So fine. So fine. So look what I made to tell you of myself. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. So guys, this is the hair. So I'll be styling it when I get back to Enugu. It's beautiful. I love this hair. Like you see wig, girl, leave wig for me. Leave wig for me. Leave wig for me. Leave wig for me. Ure. I play a lot. You see, this year, I don't know if I'm going to do acrylic again. I mean, even after teaching me a lesson the last time, I still went back to do acrylic because the last time, like now, this one now, I had to remove it myself. All of a sudden, this place started paining me. Same thing with lash extensions. I don't know if I will do lash extensions ever again. It's like anytime I do lash extensions, no matter the person even if it's the best hand, my this place will be itching me or hair will be itching me. So just to do go for a strip or just carry my lashes like that. I have a video going up by 7 o'clock, and guys, this year is I think this year, guys, this January 23rd January is my birthday. So do you know my birthday gift? Please engage in my post. I'm really pleading. Engage in my post, like my video. That's like that one is super important. Like my post so that all the algorithm that you love my videos and to push it out to other creators. And also yeah, and also take me to 2K, and like this January I want to clock 2K. I would love you guys to take me to 2K by then, please. Because I'm thinking of doing giveaway because I have beautiful people out there. Someone that would love to look good before Valentine. Okay, so see you guys later. Hi, I'm Mr. Good morning. Good camera. Well, I trust you're good and I'm good as well. There are a couple of things I want to do today. Things like losing my hair, I'll remove my nails, maybe do another one, maybe just a gel. I don't acrylic is not for me. I wouldn't want to stress myself so much when I get back to Enugu because once I get back, it's just to do clean up, like clean the whole place and all. So I want to use Sunday to rest. Yeah, and I don't know if I will be able to go to church on Sunday. I don't think I'll go to church on Sunday. I'll just use the opportunity to film a video for next week. Also reached out to my nail tech. I'm yet to book an nail appointment with him. Yeah, who does that? I need to be fast because I have a lot I need to do today. It's already 10:26. Yeah, so I want to be fast about it. So catch you guys later. Don't leave me, okay? Era kwa na mo.